In the previous video, we learned about how the equilibrium constant helps us predict the direction of the reaction. In this video, we will be discussing another example problem. And I know I called this the in-text question, uh, but this is the example problem. Problem 7.7. The value of Kc for the reaction 2A gives rise to B plus C is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we've been, and at a given time, the composition of the reaction mixture is concentration of A equals to concentration of B equals to concentration of C equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. In which direction the reaction will proceed. So we need to know the direction of the reaction is what? So first of all, we've been given Kc equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, now we've also been given this equation, but let's just quickly write the concentration. So concentration of A at a specific time equals to the concentration of B equals to the concentration of C. And this is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. So we've been given that. Now, based on whatever we learned till now, we know there's something called as QC, which will tell us what the direction of the reaction is. If QC is less than Kc, the reaction has to proceed in the forward direction. If QC equals to Kc, then the reaction is in equilibrium. And if QC is greater than Kc, the reaction has to proceed in the backward direction. Now let's write the equation over here so that it's easier for us to write the equation for QC. So the equation for QC is going to be equal to concentration of B into concentration of C divided by concentration of A square. Now let's substitute it. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 4, 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square. So basically, you can cancel all of this, and this gives us the answer as 1. Now, the value of Kc over here is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So Kc equals to 0 0.00, basically 1, 2, 3. So 0 0.002. Right? Because it is 10 to the power minus 3. And QC equals to 1. So QC is much more higher than KC. And so this in turn means that the reaction will proceed in the backward direction, which basically means that B plus C will convert to give us A. With that, we're done with the problem 7.7. In the next video, we will be discussing how the equilibrium constant helps us figure out the equilibrium concentration.